Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how I got sound effects on this animation. Okay, so all I did was went to Safari, upbeat.io. You don't need to sign up. Just click this sword. Axe impacting metal weapon. Screen record it. Go to all your screen records. Find it. Find it right here. Yep. The share button. Scroll down. Save to files. Save. Go to upload. Click the music button at the bottom. Click the plus. Click add audio. Claim free reward. File. And then the file of your screen record, which would be this one. Then you can click this, but be careful because it gets laggy if you add too many sound effects. As you can see, it works.